Hello, YouTube freaks. I just ate a lot of cake, so I'm so full of cake and not wanting to do a YouTube video, but I promised one a day. So today I'm going to be talking about how math is a language, and I am not fluent at all in it. I'm not fluent. So what does this mean? It means when you're doing math, you need to treat every single variable sort of as a word. And that's why math becomes a game of not really like solving some sort of puzzle, but of categorization. So like a lot of the more like abstract maths, algebras and all that, you're just trying to categorize what what it is. And so that's all I'm going to talk about there because I don't know any more than what I just said. But essentially, even at like the lower levels, oh my god, so much cake I ate so much cake. Even at the lower levels, when you like take any sort of like function and you flip it around and you factorize it, or like you're messing with it, all you're doing is rephrasing. It's like you're rephrasing a sentence. You're saying the same thing but in a slightly different way. And so you've got to see math as a language. And in fact, I think there's a study that shows that those who are good at math are also good at English, or good at like the languages. So they kind of go hand in hand. Math and language comprehension kind of go hand in hand. So that's kind of interesting. And I am not fluent, and this is super important. Like I am still learning the ropes, and maybe you might think that's sandbagging, like I'm just like, oh no guys, like I'm not the guy to talk to about this stuff. But I think it's important to remember that I'm an econ guy, and although I do use math, the actual like abstract theory and all that stuff is not where I'm very proficient. I'm more like, how do I maximize, if I was big into like grapes, how do I maximize grapes? And then you just do like your partial derivative, right? So that's not really maybe not that complex, but it's pretty much all I wanted to talk about today. I ate way too much cake, so I'm going to stop the YouTube video here, but I hope you enjoyed, and I hope you maybe really, if I were to say anything that you would want to leave with, is that don't think of math as some sort of puzzle to solve, although it does kind of start to look that way. See it more as a language that you're learning, and maybe ask yourself, are you fluent in it? And then it becomes a lot easier to learn. Thank you for watching.